I'm wrapping up the container gardening challenge and I can't wait to show you what I did. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I am showing off my container garden. I am so pleased with what I did. I decided to try something just a little bit different, and I think it worked out pretty good. Let's take a look. So here's my completed project. This is my after. Let me let you see the back of it. It's got a little bit different view from the back, so there's something interesting all the way around. And then look at these. These orange ones are absolutely gorgeous. Super bells in the dreamsicle color. And these are fireworks fountain grass. So now let's walk over to the pot and see what we can put together. Now some things that I use every year are these pentas. I just love them. And these particular one are the Butterfly Deep Pink. And they do attract butterflies, but more importantly, they attract hummingbirds. So I always have at least 4 of them, usually 2 over here and then 2 over there. So I went ahead and went with my old standbys. And I love the combination that they make with the purple. So I'm going to put some purples in there. And these are going to be my thrillers because they're going to go up somewhat tall. And then these petunias are going to fill it out somewhat and spill out. This one in particular is going to be a spiller. And this is my Lysicima Lysomachia. And it's the Goldilocks version. And look how it just kind of droops like that. And I'm hoping that these dreamsicle little super bells will work well in there. And then I decided to try something new. Since I'm going with the whole new planting arrangement with the double pot, I wanted to try some of this fountain grass. I just thought it was so pretty. And this is fireworks fountain grass. And I just really thought the reds or the kind of pinkish in here will complement that. So let's see what works. Since I've got this second pot in the middle, I've kind of taken up some of the room I would normally have on the outside. So I'm not sure how many I'm going to be able to get in there. So let's just see. Right now I'm just seeing what works where. I'm thinking I like this up here. And these grasses here to complement that. So I think we'll go with that. Not sure about this. Try it. Well, this one was ready to get out of this pot. So here's my completed project. This is my after. Let me let you see the back of it. It's got a little bit different view from the back, so there's something interesting all the way around. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much for checking out my container garden for our Container Garden Challenge, hosted by myself and Jessica at Measure and Mix, Chrissy at hosted by Chrissy, and Lacey at Lacey Space. I'll link the playlist below so that you can check out all the other amazing container gardens that other people have come up with. I think you'll find some very, very interesting ideas. You might even want to try some of them. Now here's your question for today. Which part of this container garden do you find most interesting? To me, it was a stretch for me to put these two pots in here together, and I really like the way this particular planter is made. So I like the architectural design here, and then all the different colors and textures of the flowers. And like I said, this is a new collection, a new arrangement, so I stepped outside my comfort zone in trying this, and I really love it. So what is the most interesting part to you? And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to know more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, planning, laundry, a little bit about gardening, and health and beauty, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye and encouraging you to check out our playlist.